It's as easy as putting on headphones and then listening to lyricless music before I fall asleep. Yeah, this is recording. Okay, hello and welcome back. That was a little weird. Today I want to talk about the ultimate manifestation hack, and this is something that I've been doing for a very, very long time. I'm also going to include my playlists on both Spotify and on Apple. The Spotify playlist I actually started a long, long time ago. We're going to get all into the ultimate manifestation hack, technique, whatever you want to call it, in today's video. And this is something that I've been doing since probably high school. So at least 15 years now. And it has allowed for me to manifest and call in certain experiences like moving abroad or moving out west, or even certain relationships, certain, memories, certain people into my life. And it's going to seem so simple, and I swear to God, it really is. And this has by far helped me so much in my life. And so I want to go over the basis of manifestation really quick, because that's going to help you to better understand why this particular technique is the one that I'm going to talk about and promote until the end of time. So manifestation ultimately, more or less, is when you call the things into your life that you are an emotional match for. So if you're looking to bring something into your life and the emotion that is associated with that particular thing is like this feeling of like absolute delight, you're ecstatic and excited, then when you are in those feelings on a day-to-day basis in your present day, your present moment, you're going to start to call in that experience that you're looking for. And so the important part is to get yourself into the emotion. And it's not necessarily doing a 3-6-9 technique or doing a scripting technique. It doesn't matter what the technique is. What matters is the emotion that's tied to it. In the last 15 years, the best way for me to elicit an emotion in myself that's strong enough to start to create different thoughts, to then create different behaviors and different actions, to then create different realities, is to do this exact routine that I'm going to lay out for you. The first thing I do is I get myself tired enough by the end of the day that I want to basically just sit and then relax in bed. I don't really read before bed, but what I do before bed is I'll take out a journal and I'll write some stuff down. Sometimes it's gratitudes. Sometimes it's like ideas that I have. Sometimes it's title names. Sometimes it's concepts for videos or podcasts, whatever. And what I'll do is I'll get to this point, even after I'm done writing, I'll be like, oh my gosh, I'm so tired. The entire time I am listening to music on my headphones. And there is a caveat to the type of music that I'm listening to in my headphones. It's not just any type of music, okay? The type of music that I'm listening to is movie soundtrack music. So oftentimes I listen to the music with any music without lyrics. And the reason why is because lyrics, to me and my ears, they start to carry the emotion of the singer who is singing them. There's not a problem with that. I still enjoy listening to music that has lyrics. It's just that when I hear the lyrics, there is a story that singer is telling me through their song, and there's an emotion that comes with that story. And so that emotion comes through to me. It carries through their song to me. So when I listen to a song that doesn't have any lyrics, I get to kind of create the feeling that I want to associate with that music. And sometimes it's very like motivating, ambitious type of music. And other times it's very like happy and like calm and peaceful. Other times it's like I feel proud and I feel on top of the world. I feel successful. And so it's really important to me to have a variety of different types of lyricless music so that I can feel a variety of different types of emotions. And sometimes you're going to come across a song that doesn't make you feel good. I don't really like to listen to those songs a lot of the time, but there exists a duality in how we go about things. So going back to the point here, I will listen to music, and then when I'm tired enough that I'm like, okay, I have to put the journal away, I'll still keep my headphones on. And I'm not necessarily quite asleep, but I'm not necessarily quite awake either. So I'm kind of in that theta state, and the music helps me get to those emotions, and I'm aware and I feel those emotions when I'm listening to the music. And when I listen to the music and I feel those emotions, I'm now preparing myself to go into a good night's sleep, feeling those feelings and experiencing those emotions. So it's really important to me that I do it before bed. The only other time that you will reach theta in such a way is upon waking in the morning. You could do the same exact routine, but for me, what's most important is to listen to the lyricless music and the movie soundtracks in particular. I really like Hans Zimmer. I went to a Hans Zimmer concert. I stand by Hans Zimmer music. It really helps me to get into those feelings and to get into those emotions. And I've created 2 playlists, one on Spotify that I started back in 2017, and then another on Apple most recently because we switched our phones over to the Apple Music plan, and I love it. I can't stop listening to Hans Zimmer or John Williams, or there are so many others on there, Natalie Holt, and it's really what brings me into those states, those emotional states, for me to be able to call in the manifestations that I'm looking to manifest. So, and what happens is too, you'll notice this when you start to listen to the music like that, you're going to start to see visions of what it is you're looking to call in. And sometimes it'll be the same vision. Other times it'll be a different vision. Other times it'll be different angles of the same vision. But what's really important is that you have that vision because you're seeing yourself. It's almost like you're projecting an idea, or you're like getting a glimpse of what future you is going to experience and what you're going to manifest. So I find that to be the best manifestation technique for myself. I know that other people swear by other methods, but the most important part at the end of the day for any manifestation technique that you are going to do is that you elicit the emotion. So I want to thank you for watching this video. I want to know what your takeaways were. Let me know down in the comments if you've tried any other manifestation techniques and how they've worked for you. And if you've tried this technique, how has it been working for you, or how has it worked for you in the past? Let me know down in the comments. If you're new here and you're like, wow, I love manifestation content, definitely be sure to hit subscribe and turn on notifications because we're going to be going through a lot. I still also talk about business. I'm probably going to be incorporating my NLP certification and my Reiki certification. And we're going to be going through a lot of fun because why not have fun, right? Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you soon.